Hey guys, welcome back. On this video today, I want to create a winter look. I want to go more for a dark eye look, some pop and highlight, and I would like to create a new look from scratch. I know what colors I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and use the Morphe 35F palette. It is my first time using it. I know there's a lot of controversy around Morphe. I'm just here for the makeup, not for the drama. So if you guys would like to see the look I'm about to create, please keep on watching. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Alright guys, to start off the look, I'm going to go ahead and use my Essence Eye Primer and put that all over the lid as usual. Now I'm going to go into my Morphe 35F palette and use that lighter shade to set my eyelids and set that primer so that way the shadows don't have issues going on. Now I'm going to take the UV Place fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go in with that light brown shade and put that into my crease. Now I'm going to take another Juvia's Place eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go into the more caramel looking color, and I'm going to put that a little bit below the color that I put in already, and blend that all out. So now I'm going to take an angle eyeshadow brush and go into that cooler tone brown next to that caramel color and put it on the outer corners of my lids. Now I'm going to take this very small eyeshadow brush and take that black eyeshadow and start creating more of a wing look with the shadow, giving more emphasis to the outer corners. Now I'm going to take a much smaller, fluffier eye brush, and I'm going to take that black shadow and blend that more in so it can look a little cleaner. So now I'm going to take my Real Techniques Pop eye brush and take the army green shimmer shadow there is above that burgundy and swoop that all over the eyelid. I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush and take that black shadow and blend that more in so that way the other shadow looks more blended with the colors. For primer today, I'm going to use the Hourglass Veil. I'm going to put that mostly around my T-zone areas, which I'm mostly oily in. And now for foundation, I'm going to use the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra 24-Hour Makeup. I am the shade 320 Bisque. And I'm going to use that with my Artis Brushcraft foundation brush. Now for highlight and contour, I'm going to use the NYX New Cream Contour Palette and highlight as well as contour with those two shades. I'm going to go ahead and take the Juvia's Place brush. I'm sorry that they don't have names. These brushes really don't have names. But I do use this for my concealer to blend it out. So I do zoom you guys in a little bit because I really wasn't liking how the cream contour was doing for highlighting. So I went and used the No Color Pop No Filter concealer, and you know, just to bring the look a little more together. Now I go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder to set my entire face. To finish off my contouring, I'm going to go in with the NYX Contour Palette and take that shade and basically set the cream contour. I go back in with that black shadow and I finish off my lash lines just to complete that eye look. For mascara, I use the Tarte Lash Paint Mascara. To highlight my inner corners, I go in with the very light champagne color of this Morphe palette and put it in my inner corners. For brows today, I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Powmade in the shade Soft Brown. To set my brows, I go in with my Brow Food Clear Gel. To highlight my brows, I'm going to go in with that second champagne color and highlight right under my brow bone. For blush today, I'm going to go in with my NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. I'm going to take that orange tone blush and put it on my cheeks. I'm also going to take the highlighter orange shade and put that right above the blush. Highlighter today, I'm going to go ahead and use the Becca Light Wave Highlighter Palette. I'm going to go in with the shade Moonstone. For lips today, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal collaboration with Balmain Paris, and I'm going to go in with the shade Balmain Instinct. To set my face, I'm going to go ahead and use the Kat Von D Lock It Setting Spray. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this winter look. If you would like to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below and tell me your thoughts on this video and what else you would like to see on this channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I hope you guys have a great night. Thank you.